In this video, we will find the square root of a complex number which is 1 plus iota. So first of all, we will suppose that the square root of 1 plus iota is x plus y iota. Now we will take the square of both sides. So we have the square root of 1 plus iota is equal to x plus y iota whole square. Now we can cancel square and square root. So we have 1 plus iota over here, and here we will apply the formula a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we can see that we have x in place of a and y iota in place of b. So we will put x in place of a over here and y iota in place of b. So we have x square plus 2 times x times y iota plus y iota square. Now we have 1 plus iota is equal to x square plus 2xy iota plus y square iota square. We know that iota is square root of -1. So squaring both sides, we have iota square is equal to -1. So we will put -1 over here. Now we have 1 plus iota is equal to x square plus 2xy iota plus y square times -1. Then we have 1 plus iota is equal to x square plus 2xy iota minus y square. And after some rearrangement, we have x square minus y square plus 2xy iota. Now here we have two complex numbers and they are equal, so the real part and imaginary part are also equal. So here we can see that real part of 1 plus iota is 1, so we can write 1, and here the real part is x square minus y square, and here the imaginary part is iota and here the imaginary part is 2xy iota. So the coefficient of iota is 1 and the coefficient of iota over here is 2xy. Now we can write y is equal to 1 upon 2x, and then we will put the value of y in this equation. So we have 1 is equal to x square minus y square. We will put the value of y, so we have 1 is equal to x square minus 1 upon 2x whole square. Now we have 1 is equal to x square minus 1 upon 4x square. Now we can take this 1 upon 4x square on the other side, so we have 1 upon 4x square is equal to x square minus 1. Then we have 1 is equal to 4 times 4x square multiplied by x square minus 1. We can multiply both sides by 4x square. So we have 1 is equal to 4x square times x square minus 1. Then we have 1 is equal to 4x to the power 4 minus 4x square, and then this can be written as 4x to the power 4 minus 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let x square is equal to t. So x to the power 4, if we take a square of both sides, so we have x to the power 4 is equal to t square. And now we will put t in place of x square and t square in place of x to the power 4. So we have a quadratic equation 4x square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. 4t square. Now compare this equation by standard quadratic equation, which is at square plus bt plus c is equal to 0. So the coefficient of t square is a here the coefficient of t square is 4, so a is equal to 4. Then the coefficient of t is b, and the coefficient of t in this equation is -4, and the constant term c is -1. Now we will apply the formula t is equal to -b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will put the value of b over here. So we have minus times -4 plus minus the square root of -4 square minus 4 times a. The value of a is 4. So we will put 4, and then the value of c is -1 upon 2a. A is 4. So we have t is equal to 4 plus minus, now the square of -4 is 16, and minus plus 4 times 4 is 16, and then we have 8 in the denominator. Now we can write t is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 32 upon 8. Then square root of 32 is 32 can be written as 16 times 2. So the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. So we can write 4 times under root 2 over here. So we have t is equal to 4 plus minus 4 under root 2 upon 8. And then we will take 4 common. So we have 1 plus minus the square root of 2 upon 8, and the value of t will be 1 plus minus square root of 2 upon 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so we have 2 in the denominator. Now we have two values of t. One is t is equal to 1 plus under root 2 upon 2, and the other value is t is equal to 1 minus under root 2 upon 2. And we know that t is x squared, so we will put x square over here. So x square is equal to 1 plus minus under root 2 upon 2. Here we also have x square is equal to 1 minus under root 2 upon 2. Now we can take the square root of both sides. So we have x is equal to plus minus under root 1 plus under root 2 upon 2. And here we cannot take the square root of both sides, because 1 minus under root 2 upon 2 is a negative number, or we can say that 1 minus under root 2 upon 2 is less than 0. And we know that x is a real number. So for any real number, the square of that real number is always greater than or equal to 0. So x square cannot be a negative number. So we cannot solve this equation. And here, so we will take these values of x as a solution of the question. So we have x is equal to plus minus, this can also be written as square root of 1 plus under root 2 upon square root of 2. Now we will multiply and divide it by under root 2. So we have x is equal to plus minus, now this thing is in square root and this thing is also in square root, so we can multiply the inside. So we have square of 2 times 1 plus under root 2 upon square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is 2. So this is the value of x. Now we will find the value of y, and here we can see that y is equal to 1 upon 2x. So the value of y is 1 upon 2 times, we will write the value of x over here. So we have plus minus the square root of 2 times 1 plus under root 2 upon 2. Now we can cancel these 2's. So we have y is equal to plus minus 1 upon the square root of 2 times 1 plus under root 2. So this is the value of x and y, and we have supposed that the square root of 1 plus iota is x plus y iota, and we have found the value of x and y, so we will put the value of x and y over here. So the square root of 1 plus iota is plus minus the value of x is this. So we have square root of 2 1 plus under root 2 upon 2. Then plus minus, we will put the value of y, which is 1 upon under root 2 times 1 plus under root 2 iota. So this is the square root of 1 plus iota.